Hey, my name is Giancarlo.
My name is Tang Shan. Our project name is Procrastinator. This is an app designed for users to utilize their time more effectively. Now we're going to run all the commands we have for this app.
Cool, so we just ran the program. And we're about to enter in the first command.
CM. So the CM displays all the commands.
Boom. There's all the comments right there and all the commands.
And then we can run through some of the most common one. The first one is date.
Date. So
it gives you the date. And then the second one is act. It adds an activity with a time, duration, and a date.
Yeah, so for example, we can do act, and then we can do run. And say we ran for 1 hour, and we ran that date. There we go.
And if you add the same activity on the same day, you will combine to one activity. But if you add it in a different day, it will be two separate activity.
Yep, and we can try that out. Say we run again, and this time we do it for 2 hours. So let's try what happens. Same date. As you can see, when we display the command, let's see, act. It actually combines both of our runs into one run because it happened the same day.
Right.
However, if you do it on a different day, then it makes two separate activities.
Right. Next, we move to RM. RM is to remove an activity with a specific name and date.
Right. So if I wanted to remove run, actually, let me see this. Oops. Okay, so say I wanted to remove the run that happened at date 5/5/2016. I can just do 5/5/2016, and it is removed, and we can display our activities, and it has been removed.
And if you want to save all the informations, you type save, and you will save to a txt file.
Right, and we can see the result of that here. If you click on it, we will see that our user, it saves to a user data.txt file, and here we can see our activity. Voila.
There's another way to save the file. You can use exit. The exit command exits the program and saves user info to the file user data.
Right, and just to check that that's true, we can add another activity. Let's see, what's a good activity? Basketball. We played a lot of basketball, and let's do 2014. Okay, now we exit the program, and if we actually go to the file and click on it, you will see that it is updated.
Right.
Cool. All right, and now on to some more other commands. Let's see, where are we here? We gotta run this again. One of the other commands is numact, which displays the number of activities for the user. And we can run that really quick. We have two activities. Also, one other cool feature is that we can create a category by running cat. Let's see, cat workout. And we can display this category. Remember from our report, a category is a collection of activities. So we can also print out the number of categories with numcat, which is workout. Now the cool thing is that we can add a activity to a category. So say we wanted to add basketball to working out.
Right.
We can do that using the add command. We type the name of the category first, which is workout, followed by the activity, which is basketball. And there we go. If we save this, we can actually see in the text file, we have our activities and then we have our category, and underneath each category are the corresponding activities for that category. So we have basketball corresponding to working out. Cool. As you can tell, we have display commands. We can just display just about anything. We can display our activities. We can also display our categories. We can display the amount of time spent per category. So say we wanted to, let's see how much time we're spending working out. We can do that. And see, we get 5 hours, which makes sense because we played basketball for 5 hours. Finally, so something that's pretty cool about this program is that it's pretty good at error checking. So if the user decides to enter in a bunch of garbage, I think the program takes care of it and gives back an appropriate error message. And we can try this out by, like, I don't know, saying, see, it says like not a valid display argument. Say we're doing an activity and call it study, and then say we just put a bunch of spaces with that. It would say something like, hey, try again, please don't use extra spaces. So the program's pretty stable and robust, and that is the Procrastinator.
Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.